My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Nexa, Nexa cryptocurrency, currently ranked in the top 550 crypto. Can this be the next 100x cryptocurrency that was currently launched in a bear market? I call Nexa, guys, another block that currency or block ghost that cryptocurrency that is pretty much the same as Kaspa, except Kaspa is like Bitcoin and Nexa is like Ethereum. Okay, so you could see that Nexa, I called it at a $20 million market cap. And it is currently sitting right now at a $70 million market cap. Yesterday, it did peak at a market cap of, I believe, $90 million. If I'm not wrong, let's see, $80 million, $83 million. Okay, so it's literally a 3-4x from my prediction. Okay, and can we see Nexa, this ultimate altcoin gem low cap cryptocurrency sitting at a $35 million market cap, do pretty much the same thing and not go only to 100 million, but to 300, 400, even $500 million? Can we see a 100x potential? Now, if this does do 100x, this would be a map of $3.5 billion. Okay, so assuming you take out the calculator right here and you do Nexa, okay, so you do $1,000 you invested times 100, that's 100,000, right? That's very, very simple math, right? So can Nexa go to that? We're going to have a look at this technical analysis right here, how important this trend line is and how they launched in a bear market of April 3rd, 2023, or a little bit before that, but we did make an all-time high on the 3rd of April, 2023. But before that, I do want to have a look at the whole crypto bubble right here. In the last 24 hours, things have been, it's been a little bit of a mix. Okay, so Bitcoin has been, consolidating in the past, couple of days. Yes, we saw some action, some downwards action, but we could see right here, we got AR, IMX, we got KuCoin, also Kaspa making a decent move. Kaspa has been making fantastic moves, up 207%. Called Kaspa a long time ago. You could have a look at my short. I called Kaspa 7 months ago. I called Nexa a bunch of months ago. So obviously these things are actually coming to reality. Now, I'm not saying here I'm a guru. There's a bunch of calls also that I've made that haven't been really doing anything, such as KDA, right? KDA, I'm still heavily invested in it, but it hasn't been moving, obviously. So we're going to have to see. Even Kronos, we saw some moves here and there, but obviously not like Kaspa and Nexa. I think that Kronos, KDA, Veracity, it's more for the long-term bull market. And these coins that I'm showing you right now are very new cryptocurrencies that came out within the last 2 years. So things are looking pretty good right here overall. We're also going to be having a look at a Bitcoin cryptocurrency technical analysis towards the end of this video, because Bitcoin's king and Bitcoin's the leader, and whatever Bitcoin does, that's usually what altcoins do. So make sure you guys stick around. If you guys obviously like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the little notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So diving into Nexa right here, market cap of $35 million. 24 volume traded, is currently sitting at 2.2 million. Obviously, I would like to see more volume from from Nexa. If we have a look at the market right here, we could see that Nexa is available on MEXC. It's available on Bitmart. Obviously, the best exchange that you could probably get Nexa right now is MEXC. Okay, most of the volume is on MEXC. Most of the liquidity is on MEXC. Now imagine what happens when Nexa gets into KuCoin, into Binance, into Coinbase, into all these cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Bybit and so on. It's most likely going to explode. Okay, look, you could see OKX, Bybit, Coinbase. It's not even on Gate or KuCoin, Bitstamp, Bitfinex. It's not even on BitGet or BingX. I mean, these are exchanges that would easily and should be listed on, okay, LBank and etc. So imagine what happens when Nexa does get listed in these cryptocurrency. How high do you think it will explode, right? Now, we know that usually low cap altcoin gems get listed on MEXC. Now, if we have a look at the nexa.org website, obviously, Nexa, a digital economy with capacity for all. Nexa is the most scalable layer one. Obviously, every scalable layer one will say that, the same way every exchange will say, oh, we are the fastest and best exchange, best in the world. But anyways, it will handle over 10 billion transactions per day while offering EVM like smart contracts and native token service, all while staying decentralized. Okay, so you could see right here, there's obviously a quick start. You could go ahead and check their wallet, their Discord. We're going to get into the wallet in just a second, but like a Swiss bank in your computer, this is very, very interesting. But why Nexa matters? Okay, so we have the global capacity, Nexa unique proof of work. So like I said, guys, Nexa is a proof of work algorithm. It's not proof of stake. Nexa will scale to over 10 billion transactions per day. That's enough capacity for the whole planet. No high fees and no waiting around for your transaction to be secured. This is thanks to new technology to remove bottleneck of bandwidth, storage, and computing speed of nodes. So it has a native token, native NFT, instant transaction, proof of work scaling, wise contract. Of course, always do your own research and due diligence, but you could see this is a low cap altcoin gem sitting at a $35 million market cap. Capacity, they claim they could do up to 100 or over 100,000 TPS per second. Platform, they're on Windows, OS X, Linux, Android, max supply 21 trillion, obviously 140 years. The block schedule is sitting at 10 million Nexa per block. Obviously, yes, it's a lot, but also the supply is a lot. And that's about it. If you guys want to grab the wallet, you can go ahead and do it Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and etc. So having a look right here real quick at the wallet, I mean, like a Swiss bank in your computer, protect your money and privacy with a full weight of Nexa network, and be safe in your knowledge that the only person who controls your money is you. So Nexa, guys, seems very, very, very promising. Like I said, they're not on a lot of exchanges. I mean, only MEXC, probably the best one you could find right here. But I think that Nexa, if you want to buy, by the way, the link will be in the description below. Feel free to do so. Feel free to do your own research and due diligence on that. You could go ahead and look at the key info, the resources, you know, the articles and so on. But we're going to have a look at the roadmap also. But you guys need to always do your own research and due diligence. You know, never listen to some dude on YouTube. I'm just here to give you guys a brief example, short example. Obviously, never also risk more than you can afford to lose. I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh my God, this is crazy. I'm going to go all in on Nexa. That's it. I'm going all in. I'm going to buy, etc. So it's very, very important, obviously, to not go all in. So Bitcoin OG creating a better finance system for everyone. The team building Nexa has over 70 years combined experience in crypto and have their software running the backbone of multiple billions of dollars of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin Unlimited. Nexa is a decentralized network, so anyone and should get involved in building the future financial system. But to make sure Nexa is built on strong and sustainable foundation, Bitcoin Unlimited has committed significant resources for the development of Nexa foresee future. So you could see right here, you got Andrew Stone, developer, Andrew Clifford, the president. The team is pretty much fully doxed right here, as you guys can see. So it seems to be pretty interesting. If you guys want to follow them on Twitter, feel free to do so. But it seems to be a very promising project right here. You could follow them on Twitter. You could follow them on Instagram. You could follow them on Telegram, which has over 7,000 members. Obviously, like I said, guys, always do your own research and due diligence. We know technical analysis means a lot in crypto. So let's dive into crypto right here, into Nexa. So we have a massive breakout ever since this all-time high right here. We saw a nice little rejection right here. And of course, we saw a breakout right here. Now, can Nexa make a massive booming move all the way to this level right here, 743% if you were to buy at this level? I think it could happen. Obviously, if you buy now, the level percentage would be 429%, which would be roughly 35 million here. Let's do the market cap. I think that would be a little bit over 100 million. So 35 million right here times 4, that would be $140 million of a market cap. So that would be obviously a 4x return. A 10x would be 100x would be 3.5 billion. And of course, a 10x would be $350 million market cap. Can we see $350 million market cap? Yes, we can. If we have a look right here at the 1 hour time frame, I do like to pull the RSI real quick. We could see that on the RSI, we are seeing some sort of bearish divergence right here, as you guys can see. We do have a higher high right here and a decrease on the RSI. So things are looking okay overall. We're gonna have to see what happens and what the next big move is. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back one more time and retest this level right here on sitting at 0.0000719 after this consolidation. We know that when we do break out of a nice little strong resistance, we usually come back and retest it. But we're gonna have to see right here what happens also. So if we take this right here, we are in some sort of triangle, whether that's a bull pennant or a bear pennant. or a descending triangle. Obviously descending triangles are bearish, but if you do look at it at a bull pennant right here, this would essentially be bullish. And of course, symmetrical triangles usually end up breaking to the upside, because if you have a triangle like this and you're coming from the bottom to the top, you usually end up continuing to the top side. If the triangle was like this coming from the bottom, you would end up breaking towards the downside. So we should see a massive breakout within the coming hours on Nexa, whether that's to the bottom or to the top. It should be very, very good. It seems like this is a strong support region. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in my